Need to replace the battery in your 2016-2020 Kia Optima key fob? It's a simple DIY task. This video will guide you through each step, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool, and a few minutes. The Kia Optima key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. This standard battery type is widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon for just $3 to $5 per battery. For extended life, consider buying smart CR2032 batteries that can last up to 10 years. Always ensure your replacement battery is fresh for optimal key fob performance. To replace the key fob battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated key fob opener tool. These tools allow you to carefully pry open the fob case without damaging it. To protect your work surface from scratches during the repair, place a soft cloth or towel underneath the key fob while you work. Locate the small notch or seam on your key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or key fob opener into the notch and twist carefully to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid applying excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Be patient. It may take a little effort. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from the compartment. Note the orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up when the battery is inserted. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, with the positive side up. Ensure the battery is securely seated in the compartment. To close the key fob, align the two halves together by lining up the edges carefully. Gently press the halves together until they snap securely shut. You should hear a click as they lock into place. Ensure there are no gaps along the seam by running your finger around the edges. If the fob doesn't close easily, double-check the battery orientation and make sure nothing is obstructing the closure. Once closed properly, the key fob should feel solid and secure. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. Verify that your Kia Optima responds from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. If the fob doesn't work, reopen it and double-check the battery orientation and contact points. Consider cleaning the contacts gently with a cotton swab. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for a faulty button or internal circuit damage. In this case, consult a professional or your Kia dealership. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. You've now successfully replaced your Kia Optima key fob battery.